Grilla. Yeah, so I'm missing my grandma like I don't got no pain, but I know I cry every day. Yeah, I'm crying tears of a river, but nobody feel my pain. Come my girl, my daddy gone, but she was my favorite man. But she was here on the earth, man, I love the man. 2003, man, God took it from me. Now I'm looking up to him like, why you did it, why you had to leave me alone? Now I got my pride and joy, but I got pain, got a lot of it. But I'm living strong, trying to make it out of it. Come on, yeah, I look up to the heaven, I know you there. Know you sitting there right by, got it right through. Come on, I love you, dear. Yeah, I love you most. Want you back in my life, yeah, that for sure. But I know you deep down in my heart, dude. And you just roaming in my spirit, trying to let me be. Yeah, so I got a daddy, yeah, I'm his image. I look just like him, yeah, I was born just like him, man. I swear from the head to toe, from the inside to the out, yeah, I'm a perfect image of him now. But I tell you, man, he dead and gone. Yeah, he struggled from a habit, yeah, that was wrong. But he had to go through the life suffering and the struggle, so I'm out here living a second life for him. So I got the second time, so it's like he being reborn. Now I got the chance to be a better man than he was. So I'm gonna take my chance, take my opportunity. I'm gonna take martial life to another experiment. I'm gonna be true to it, I'm gonna stick to it. Start writing down rhymes, be slick Rick. Yeah, I know I gotta stay sick with it when I over in my rhyme book. Man, you know I'm paying attention. Okay, so I was raised by knuckleheads and hardheads. Yeah, but my mama wasn't one that really raised me. But I tried to show the streets that was my fault. Man, I took the other route. Yeah, I know I lost. Took a lot of downs. I took a lot of ups. I had a lot of ups. I had a lot of downs. But I spun around like a 360. Don't niggas. Just to show 'em winning. But you still mad at me because I'm getting it, but I really don't mind it, nigga. You can hate on me all you want, it don't matter to me. Cause I'm just gonna keep on doing my thing, homie. I'ma keep grinding, keep shining, keep trying to get it, keep trying to hustle till I win. Don't you get it, working 9 to 5 if I got to, just to get my business. Once I get my money, man, you gonna be hating, man. Peace. Grilla. Martial life. Entertainment. West Side boy. Oh. I'm a Martian.